Let's dive into Dreamy, a game all about imagination, storytelling, and a little bit of deception.
The entire game really just boils down to this one simple question. So the goal is simple. Find the storyteller's card, but you also score by tricking everyone else. To begin, you just need 3 to 8 players. It works for a small group or a larger party. All right, everyone gets 5 of these beautiful cards. Keep them secret. They're your secret weapon. Every round has 3 simple steps: the clue, the deception, and the vote. Let's break it down. Okay, so let's say you're the first storyteller. You just look at your hand and pick one card. For this card, maybe you give the clue broom. It can be a word, a sound, anything. But here's the trick. Your clue can't be too obvious or too obscure, and there's a reason for that. Okay, now it's everyone else's turn. And your goal? Pure deception. You look at your hand and pick a card that could also match that clue. Try to fool them. Once all the cards are in, they get shuffled up and laid out for everyone to see. And now it's time to vote. Which card is the real one from the storyteller? Just 2 super simple rules here. Everyone but the storyteller votes, and nope, you can't vote for your own card. All right, let's talk results. Scoring in Dreamy is where the real strategy kicks in. So check this out. The storyteller only gets points if some people guess right. Not all, not none. Here's a perfect example. Everyone guessed it, so the clue was way too easy. 0 points. For guessers, you get 3 points for being right, and bonus points for every vote your decoy card gets.
So look here, Celia got 4 points, 3 for guessing right, and 1 for tricking somebody else.
Okay, round's over, everyone draws a new card, and the storyteller role just passes to the next person. And you just keep playing. The first person to hit the target score, usually 30 points, wins the game. Dreamy is super flexible. You can all huddle around one device, or everyone can connect with their own. So, are you going to be a brilliant storyteller or a master of deception? Why not try for both?